Number 1. What does your father do?
My father is office worker.
My father
is.
Sorry, what does your father do? One more time, sorry.
My father is office worker. Is a office worker. Tamam.
Office worker'sa o zaman. Mı?
Again.
Yes.
Again, teacher, please.
Too late. 2.
Teacher.
What's her job?
She is a mechanic.
Okay, number 3. What's his job?
He is a veterinarian.
Number 4. What does a sales clerk do?
A sales clerk sells things.
Number 5. What does a photographer do?
A photographer takes pictures.
Very good. Can you read this?
Skunk, van, chick,
Okay.
van,
Mm-hmm.
chick, elk, dirt.
Okay, can you read this out?
What do you know about jungles and the animals live?
So this one?
And the animals.
And
The animals.
Yağmur.
Animals.
If vowel is A, so the meaning the must become to the animal.
The animal that
Okay.
live there. Lots of different animals live in the jungles. Jungles are
Careful.
beautiful, but people are making the jungles polluted and dangerous. They are cutting down the trees. The animals are not safe. They need help.
Mm-hmm.
This is a block park in Malaysia. It's a big park for orangutans. They are safe here.
Here.
There are lots of big tall trees.
Yes.
People can cut these trees down. 80 orangutans are living free in this park. Look, can you see the orangutans in this picture? They are eating and playing. They are funny. The rangers give them food. These orangutans are eating watermelon. Visitors can go to the park to see the orangutans.
Be careful. Here.
The orangutans.
Yes, good job.
They watch them and take photos. There are other animals here too, rhinos and bears.
Oh.
Bears.
Yes.
Are not safe in the jungle, but they are living free in Block Park. It's a safe and beautiful place to visit.
Thank you, Yağmur.